In this demo, we'll go over how to onboard trading partners into Cleo Integration Cloud. You will need a one-time integration with CIC to integrate your backend systems, like ERPs. Then you can onboard your trading partners quickly into CIC from the CIC cockpit. This allows non-technical users to set up new trading partners. You can onboard by configurations instead of code. This reduces the level of technical expertise needed. Let's jump into the product and see how we do this. Navigate to the Network Partners step and then click on Add Trading Partner. You will be asked to import. In this demo, we'll use Lowe's as our example trading partner. You will be provided the trading partners and their transactions that we have in our library. Let's select the 810 invoice as a transaction for our example. I am importing the Lowe's 810. Once these files are imported successfully, you will be asked to enter the ISA IDs or the envelope IDs that you need to include when you send EDI payloads to your trading partners. These are your IDs to identify your organization. Once you enter your IDs, click on Save. Once this is saved successfully, navigate to the Transaction tab. Select the imported transaction. In this case, it is 810. These trading partner transactions are built per the trading partner guidelines. If you have any specific requirements or agreements with a particular transaction, and if you want to incorporate those in your transaction, you can do all of that in this area. Now let's take an example. I have an agreement with Lowe's that I would be doing a credit memo invoice and no other invoice type. So rather than doing any other transformation, I can simply hard code CR here in the transaction type code. Now that we've made this change, how do we test this? This is a Lowe's 810, so I will test with a sample file by clicking the Test button. When I click the Test button, I can see the changes I made are visible here. Let's say, for example, even if the source had DR, I can see the target always had a CR because that is what I added as an element in my requirements here. Now close this, and once we are done with the testing, we can publish the transaction. Once we have published this, we need to associate this transaction with the ERP side of integrations. This is a one-time integration that you do with CIC, and after that, you can reuse this for every trading partner or transaction. This is an outbound invoice, so I'll select the outbound invoice process, and then the connection process, which is responsible for sending this EDI payload to Lowe's. I selected the already configured Lowe's endpoint as well, and then click on Save. And once this is saved, you are done, and you are ready to transact with Lowe's via CIC. So this no-code trading partner onboarding process brings in the code-free experience by empowering citizen integrators to rapidly onboard trading partners into CIC. That was a quick walkthrough on no-code trading partner onboarding in the CIC platform. For more information, contact our team at sales@cleo.com. Thank you for watching.